Hi everyone, this is my Emily in Paris inspired makeup. I hope you will like it. I sprayed moisturizer on my face and I applied a primer after. Then I applied a concealer foundation. Then I set it with a loose powder. As for Emily's eyebrows, we want them to appear naturally thick and bushy. As you can see, I'm extending the length of my eyebrows as well as the width. Then blend it with a spoolie brush. Doing this to your eyebrows makes them look like they're bushy. Then apply concealer on the edges. Now my favorite part, the contouring. You may also contour your neck and your shoulder blades. Now let's go to highlighting. Now I am applying a matte peach eyeshadow. Now I am applying a black gel eyeliner. I do a very soft eyeliner below the lash lines. For me, I always curl my lashes before I put on my falsies. You have to be really careful whenever you attach your falsies. Especially when you're applying the glue, you have to let it dry for a minute. I'm using the end of my eyeliner brush so I can attach the falsies properly. My left eye got a bit irritated because of the glue, so you really have to be careful. I applied a bit of lip balm and dab it with a tissue. Then I use a plum-colored lipliner. I use this both as a lip liner and as a lip color. Then I blend the colors on my face to soften my look. I applied a bit of mascara on my lower lashes. There you go!